this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add and remove split screen here in Rocket League, no matter what platform you're playing on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, begin by opening up Rocket League and obviously staying on the main menu, no matter what platform you're on. And essentially grab your second controller and turn it on by pressing either the PlayStation button if you're on PS5 or the Xbox button if you're on Xbox. On PS5, you'll have to assign it to a specific user account, so select a different profile other than player 1, and if needed, sign into another account. And once the second controller is connected, look at the very bottom of the Rocket League screen, and you're going to see an option that says press options to join, or the equivalent menu button on Xbox. Just press that button on the second controller and player 2 is going to be added, and you'll see two cars in the main menu, meaning that split screen is active. Now, to adjust how it works, just go to the settings section, just like so. Open up settings, and in the gameplay tab, you're going to see a split screen layout. You can change it from horizontal, which is the default one, which essentially is a wider left view from left to right, and it's less vertical visibility. It works super good on standard TVs, or vertical, which I have mine currently set to, which is more so for top to bottom visibility, and it's good for widescreen TVs. Just switch between them, choose whatever one feels best for your setup, but to remove it, all you need to do is just use the second controller and just log out of that account. No matter what platform you're on, that is the quickest way to remove split screen. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let's know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.